Today we're heading out to Parr State Park, Kilo 1020.
Kilo 9 Echo Mike Papa, Kilo 9 Echo Mike Papa, K-1020.
It's a little chilly outside. This is day number 2 to try and get this park activated. Yesterday did not fare so well. Started up the radio and had a S9 Plus noise floor on 40 and a pretty high noise floor on 20 and 15. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'm going to retry the same spot. If we end up having the same problem again today, I'm going to try and move to a different spot, and hopefully the cold doesn't kill my camera battery and my laptop battery again today. So we shall see. Stay tuned. And we're here at Parr State Park. As you can see, it's a little bit slick. Well, I'm out here at Parr State Park, Kilo 1020. I'm starting off and doing my pre-activation hike. Only going to do maybe quarter mile or half a mile. It's extremely cold out today, and don't want my batteries to die on my camera. My plan is to just hunt park to parks really quick so I can get out of here as soon as possible so I don't get any kind of frostbite. I've got a new DX Commander mast I'm going to test out today and see how well that works. With the DX Commander, I'm going to use my end-fed half wave. That's good for 40 through 10. And I'm going to attempt to do this activation on 20 meters only. And like I said, I just want to do it as fast as possible. I do not want to be out here in this cold that long. Kilo 9 Echo Mike Papa.
Kilo 9 Echo Mike Papa. This is Kilo Charlie 3 Bravo Hotel India. Our park numbers are Kilo 1433 and park Kilo 5474. QSL.
Give me that first park number again.
First park number is Kilo 1433 QSL.
QSL.
You're 5-1.
QSL the 5-1, I've got you a 5-9 into park number K, Kilo 1020.
Copy 5-9 into Kilo 1020. Please stand by for second operator.
Kilo 9 Echo Mike Papa. This is Kilo Foxtrot 0 Hotel Romeo Hotel 5-1 as well into park Kilo 1433 and Kilo 5474 QSL.
QSL, I've still got you 5-9 into park number Kilo 1020.
Copy the 5-9 into 1020. Thank you for hunting. Have a great day at 73. Are there any other park to park?
This is Kilo 2 Mike Juliet Papa. QRZ.
Kilo 9 Echo Mike Papa, park to park.
Kilo 9 Echo Mike Papa. QSL.
QSL, I've got you 5-9 into park number Kilo 1020. Kilo 1020.
I copy the 5-9 into 1020. I have you about a 5-3-53. I have two park numbers for you. The first park is 8068. 8068 QSL.
QSL.
Second park is 0680. Kilo 0680 QSL.
QSL, both park numbers. 73, good luck.
Roger, roger. Good luck on your activation. 7-3.